Hey everybody, Derek with Pool Boy Rubs. Tomorrow we're going to be having some pulled pork tacos with pulled pork that we had on the smoker yesterday for about 12 hours. But tonight what we're going to be doing is we are going to be making pickled red onion to go with that. Let's go ahead and get started. First we're going to need 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup decaffeinated water, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. With a little whisk, just gonna whisk this up a little bit, and then we are going to simmer it on some low heat until all this stuff gets combined as well as it can. While the brine is coming up to a nice simmer, let's go ahead and prepare the red onion. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna slice it in half moon shapes. Then I'm going to take it and I'm gonna shove it in just a old pickle jar. And I'm doing mine fairly thin, not like paper thin. Just kind of break it up and put it in your jar of choice. Tacos tomorrow are going to be off the chain. I like to let my pickled onions sit for 24 hours in the brine, pickling before use. Got a nice little steam going on. I think that's gonna be done for us. I have my onions here. I have a canning funnel that I'm gonna put over so that we're very careful with this hot simmering brine as we pour it over the onions. And there you go. I'm gonna let this come down to room temperature, then I'm gonna throw it in the fridge. We'll enjoy it tomorrow when we have some pork tacos made with Pool Boy Rubs. Thanks for watching.